what we have here. The infamous Lennox Pulse. Alright, we gotta change an air flapper in there. Air flapper is this guy right here. This is about the only Lennox Pulse parts we can get anymore. So we're gonna put this in. We're gonna use our Wura to get the job done. Someone never put that front cover back on. There should be a cover right here. Interesting. Alright, your flapper's just under there. Now, check this out. The actual user manual, install manual. Who honestly has ever done the heat exchanger back flushing? Alright, let's listen to this baby roar. Got some mufflers on here, so they should be quiet. It's not bad. That's it.